Hi, it's Monique. Visit my website daytimevegan.com for a ton of vegan breakfast, lunch, and dinner recipes. Hello, it's Monique, and today I want to do my Thrive haul and my Thrive review. This is kind of a part 2 to the grocery haul video that you all saw, and if you haven't seen it, please go check that video out. I'm showing you all what a gluten-free, soy-free vegan eats and how we grocery shop. So I want to show you some of the products I bought from Thrive, some of the endometriosis friendly and ovarian cyst friendly foods, and just tell you all what I think about the company. Since I just started using Thrive, I want to do a quick little review. Is it worth the money? What do I think? I will let you know. So let's get started. So first things on the list are my cashews and medjool dates. I use cashews to make homemade cashew milk. I never buy store-bought plant-based milk. I don't like the way it tastes. There's too many ingredients, and even when they have little ingredients, I still taste some weird stuff. So I prefer cashew milk over almond milk or any other type of milk. I feel like it's the blandest. It's like a blank canvas, so you can season it any way you want for savory foods, and you won't have any type of like almond taste the way almond milk does or any other nut or seed milk. So my favorite plant-based milk is homemade cashew milk. I have medjool dates. Sometimes I put them in my smoothies to make them a little bit sweet, and you can make nice raw vegan desserts with dates. I prefer medjool dates over the California dates. These are juicier to me and more flavorful. Maca powder. I think I might do a whole video on why I use maca powder. But it has something to do with my health issues, and there's just so many benefits to it. Plus it tastes really great. When you put bananas and maca powder in a smoothie, it's love. Love at first taste. It's delicious. Gluten-free pasta. I only eat gluten-free pasta because, of course, I have endometriosis and a history of ovarian cysts. So this gluten-free brown rice pasta is the best to me. I don't like using corn pasta or quinoa pasta. That always falls apart. Brown rice pasta never falls apart when you boil it. And I only use brown rice pasta that has 2 ingredients. Oh, actually this just says 1 ingredient. Organic whole grain brown rice flour. I only purchase brown rice pasta that has 1 or 2 ingredients, and that should be brown rice and water. So I haven't tried this brand before. I usually buy a different brand of brown rice pasta, but this was very reasonably priced. So I want to see how it works out, and I will let you all know. No sugar added sunflower butter. If you've never had sunflower butter, please give it a try. I actually did not like it the first 1 or 2 times I tried it, but I always try foods like 7 to 10 times before I decide I don't like it. And usually I always end up liking it. So this is the no sugar added. Let's see, what are the ingredients? Roasted sunflower seeds and salt. That's it. No sugar, no maltodextrin, or whatever that weird stuff is. These are the only ingredients. And any type of nut butter that I purchase. Usually I make it myself, but if I purchase it, I don't want it to have more than 2 ingredients, which is whatever nut or seed it is, and salt, or salt. I love this stuff. I put it in my oatmeal, mostly. with tahini. I love sunflower butter and tahini and my oatmeal. These are my new favorite olives ever. Castelvetrano olives, I don't know, but they're yummy. They're very mild. If you're new to olives, I think you should give these a try. They're not super pungent like other olives. Very smooth, and I love to put them on my rice bowls. I'm going to put them in my spicy quinoa wrap that I mentioned in the other video, my grocery haul video. I'm putting these olives in that wrap, and I just like to eat them. Like, just eat olives with nothing. I love olives. And my favorite wraps, for all of you who can't eat gluten or soy, try these raw wraps. These are the cheapest. They're cheaper than on any other website I've seen. Thrive has the best price for these. I really like them. You only get, how many do you get? I think you get 5. I think you get 5 in 1 pack, which to some people seems pricey for the price that you pay, but you know, you gotta spend a little more for wholesome products. And these wraps are very wholesome. These are the ingredients: apple, kale, onions, celery, quinoa, and psyllium. And now for the non-food products, I have bentonite clay. I actually do consume bentonite clay sometimes if I'm having intestinal issues. You can read about that online, but some people say you shouldn't ingest it. Some people say you should. I did my own research and decided that it's okay to have sometimes. So I mix a little bit of the clay and a little bit of water, and I drink it, and it helps me. It helps when I'm having digestion issues. But I mostly use this for my hair. This is really amazing. And for my skin. You just mix it with water and you put it on your skin and make a little mask. It's very cleansing, and you can also cleanse your hair with this. Look it up online. It's awesome. Especially for all of you women of color who are natural. Look into this. This is my favorite deodorant, all natural. What are the ingredients? I don't know if you can see the ingredients, but it's a good list. This is my favorite deodorant. Cleaning supplies. Thrive has a really nice selection of ethical cleaning supplies. And a lot of the cleaning supplies are made in biodegradable containers. Certified, biodegradable, effective on stains and grime, not tested on animals. Now, when you use natural cleaning products, you do have to put a little bit more elbow grease into it because it doesn't have all of those harmful chemicals that can just eat through grease and dirt so easily. But it's worth it. If you have a good sponge, I have some nice biodegradable sponges. I might do a video on those. But if you have good sponges and you have a little elbow grease, they will work perfectly. So this is what I use. And the last thing, some chemical-free sanitary napkins. Sorry for any men who are watching this, but we're all grown. And if you're not grown, then you need to learn that there's nothing wrong with sanitary napkins or pads. This is the kind I'm buying. I've never tried these before, so hopefully they'll work out. But I actually plan on using reusable pads in the future. So I might not buy these again. We'll see. I also like that they give you a list of everything that you purchased, so you can make sure you got all that you need. And it always tells you what you saved, which is convenient. The prices really are better than Whole Foods. I haven't been into a Whole Foods in months because I discovered Thrive. So why go to Whole Foods when I can get the same products for a little bit cheaper and have it delivered to my house? Doesn't make sense. So I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I do want to do more Thrive haul videos so that you all can get a better feel for the types of products that they sell. And I have a whole list of favorites that I haven't even purchased yet on the website. So I want to order some new things. This is not a sponsored video. I don't have an affiliate link or anything like that. I just wanted to tell you all what I think about the company and show you the products that they sell on their website. So I really hope you liked the video. Please like the video if you did, and leave me any comments or questions. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.